To fix playback error on YouTube TV, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable and strong network, as a weak connection can cause playback errors. You can check your internet speed by visiting a website that offers free speed tests. Next, restart your device and the YouTube TV app. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve the issue. If you are using a streaming device such as a Roku or Chromecast, try restarting that device as well. If restarting does not work, check for any updates to the YouTube TV app. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues and playback errors. Update the app to the latest version and try playing the video again. Another common cause of playback error is a corrupted cache. Clear the cache and data of the YouTube TV app to resolve this issue. This will remove any temporary files that may be causing the problem. If none of the above steps work, try checking the YouTube TV server status. Sometimes, the issue may be on YouTube's end, and checking the server status can help you determine if the problem is widespread or specific to your account. Additionally, ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for YouTube TV. If your device is outdated or does not meet the requirements, you may experience playback errors. Finally, if you have tried all the above steps and still experience playback errors, consider reaching out to YouTube TV support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide a solution to get you back to watching your favorite shows and movies. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve playback errors on YouTube TV and enjoy uninterrupted streaming. Remember to always check your internet connection, update your app, and clear your cache to prevent playback errors from occurring in the future.